Good afternoon, my friends. I'm not talking today about wines. There is so difficult situation in the world that I would like to advise something which is natural. Okay, there are two essence. Okay, which is Ecalyptus Globulus Eucalypus Radiata. Okay, one of my best friends, she's 93, and she tells me that this is prevent you from getting any virus at all. Okay, so I put 1 drop of each in my breast, and then I put 1 drop in a glass of water with a very small little bit of water. Sorry, you put 1 drop of each, and then you inhalate with your nose, first with one hole and secondly with the other hole. Also, what I do is I also put my finger inside that small little bit of water, and I put it in my tongue. Okay, it doesn't taste very well, but it's very nice in terms of preventing you to getting any virus. And as COVID-19 is a virus, we don't lose anything doing this. Okay, so I do it every day with my family, to everyone in the family, and I thought it's a good thing to share with you. So choose.
Egg.